So today in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a Ps5 power supply. As you can see, it's already opened. As it opened, in a few minutes I would start and then show you where the problems are with on on the board. Sorry. So when sorry, like I say every day, when you have no knowledge about it, about fixing Ps5, fixing power supplies, the best thing you do is you wait, get advice from those who are good, those who have fixed it, those who have knowledge in it. It can help you to be able to fix one. So this is a Ps5 power supply that we are going to fix today. So stay tuned, be ready, and then we are going to start so that you can be able to fix it on your own. But like I recommend that you would seek knowledge or seek information about it before you start to fix it yourself at home. Okay, thank you. So in the next 2 hours, I'll bring you the video. We'll do a live video so that you can be able to know how to fix a Ps5 power supply. Thank you.